getting late, tired, pushing through. Get the big boy cover plate on there. Gonna have to get more, but this is got the wires ran. So on the back wall, we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4. Go turn that. 5, 6 looks like. Five, 6. That's all going to be on a switch on its own circuit. Then we got this one. So 1. I want to say there's 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that one I came under 7 right there. And then I put 8 in the corner here. And then coming through. So this switch right here does the other side. I get that. And I'm kind of thinking, so I got this snake through, so I can do that whole wall on a switch. Kind of thinking like left side, right side, maybe do another stud right here. And then one of these is going to be back wall. And do the back wall, and then if I got enough wire, I mean this front here, I only got that one, and then I got these on the end here, but I want to be able to add some. So yeah, that I can do later and think about it. I mean, theoretically I could get another one there, another one over there, or put them in the middle maybe. Actually put them there above the garage doors. Do that on a switch. And then add some outdoor ones. So yeah, we're on that journey here of electrical.